Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty bad sort of day. You just I don't know what the best. It's basically most of the chop, right? No continuation, right? Um, Towards the later of the day, we'd get this good move right here, but again, uh, not time enough time left in the day. But you just have to be very patient today, or even might have called it a day. But if you look at the 30-minute and the 5-minute, right, you notice we kind of opened up here, right, and then we were kind of this or red algo was here, right. So this is basically a very high resistance, right? As well as the support right here, as well as right here, right? So you can notice that these three basically are fighting it over, right? Um, so you just have to be really careful here, shorting it, for example, right? You cannot short this at all. There is no indication of a short anywhere. Um, you the, the only way you could have shorted this if we close this inverse cup, formed a handle off of and rejected off of white right here, right? And then drop down here, right? And then close this inverse cup right here, right? But that's the only way you should have taken the short, right? If you were looking for a short opportunity. But again, you notice this support angle, right? Um, that we got a pretty good structure right here off of purple, right? And then give us this final move for the day. Again, it's probably not worth it. You basically have to wait till 2 p.m., right? So that means you would have been. I mean, I was waiting 5+ hours for this. Oh wait, 5 hours. I can't count. So 3, 4, but yeah, like 5 hours for this move. You know. So is it worth it? Pretty much no. Days like this, just wait for that bigger structure, right? Set alerts for bigger like cup close at least, or the low of the day. Set alerts for that. And if you don't hit those, just chill, watch your phone. I don't know what else. Just make trading fun, you know, because these types of days are the days where the market really wants to take away profits from you. And if you over traded anywhere right here, right, you're basically gonna get stopped out. You're gonna get trapped. You're gonna get basically beat, and then you're gonna have to give up, and then you end the days very bad. Okay. Um, Personally, I'm experienced in these type of days, so I know what to look for. I know what to trade, when to trade, right? When we opened up here, it was awkward, especially after we didn't get this push up at least, right? We didn't close this cup at 564.78, right? At the beginning, right here, right? So I just knew we just had, if we were shorts, we at least have to wait for this inverse cup right here, right? So I did set alerts for the low of the day as well as the high right here, right? Um, so I didn't really trade at all, mostly at all today. I think I took a one scalp, but yeah, that's about it. I think yeah. Let me show you guys the scalp I took as well. Um, so this was the push up right here. I got a very good risk reward right here. Um, you can notice this uh, inverse head and shoulder right off of here, right, and then guided by the green algo as well, right? So that's the quick scalp I took. That's about it for today. I didn't really trade this at all. Um, I'm very busy today. So yeah. So from here, where do we go? Okay. Again, you have to notice this tapering teal, right? So ultimately, you want to see some type of push up, right? And then the teal used as support, right? Um, and you just have to look out for that. And again, see where we open tomorrow, right? If we even, I would not short this till at least we come back in this level right here, 560 level. Um, there's just too much support right here, especially with this orange that's gonna be tapering, right? So if you want to look for the big moves, wait till the 560 level, and if the market does not give you that tomorrow, just call it an early day, right? If the market doesn't break above tomorrow, call it an early day. If the market wants to stay here, call it an early day, okay? Know when to trade. Um, Again, you don't have to necessarily take a trade every day. Um, I do, okay, but it's mostly because I'm always bored. So when I am bored, I take like 10 contract sizes, right? Um, Not that much, just a little to feed my insides. But yeah, don't go trading these days and full putting or full contract sizing these days, especially without clear continuation, right? If there is no clear continuation, you don't trade that. And you can see how we keep bouncing off this pink right here, right? In this 1 minute, right? You keep seeing we bounce off this pink, right? If we were um, bearish, right, we would have closed below. Um, and close it. Oh wait, what's my going on? Right, we would have closed and formed a handle right here off of pink right here, right? So we just didn't see that, and that's the telltale sign, right? Of the buyers ultimately being in control here, right? And yeah, so that's it. Pretty much, this is the only good trade that you could have taken today, in my opinion. But you have to wait again. 14:30. That's 2:30. Okay. That's not worth it at all, especially for like not even a 1 point. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I'm gonna show it to you. Wait to short this, right? Here at least. Um, then the close of the cup, right? Hopefully, we can close right here first, right? Or we can close at all the way, right? And then 5 day is moving up as well, so we're gonna use, if it comes up to this 561, 562 level, we can use that some sort of shoulder, right? We are building head right now, right? So let's see what happens tomorrow. Um, yeah, wait for the market to reveal itself. Thank you guys. Have a great day.